Hi there! In today's video, I'm going to talk about our new glass balustrade system, OSF. But what is actually OSF? It's optimal, it's simple, and it's flexible. Why is OSF optimal? This system is compact, like its price. If you look at our Sapco's range, you can surely see the difference with our new product, OSF, which is the thinnest we have created. Indeed, our profiles are already known for their compactness. So here in front of you, you have probably the best price performance of the market. Besides, for the same range, we can consider that an installation with OSF system for a private residence is about 15 to 25% less expensive. Concretely, what does it mean? It means that you can mount a glass balustrade for the same price as a non-transparent basic system. The specificity of this profile is its asymmetrical shape. The outside of the balustrade has been well made in order to be the most compact and designed possible. As you can understand, from now on, there is only one cladding to be set up on the inside. Why is OSF simple? This patented balustrade integrates a simple tightening from one side. In concrete terms, how does this one-side technology work? You just have to place the wedges and tighten it from the accessible side of the structure, in other words, from the glass. Finally, you just have to finish by setting the single cladding and the gasket, and that's all there is to it.
Here is the example for the floor mounting. But you have to know that this profile is already available for lateral inverted side and built-in slab mounting. Of course, OSF will allow you to realize your curved project, your staircase, and even a criterions for your balconies, for example. It is also adaptable for tailor-made projects.
Why is OSF flexible? This system will be compatible with all your projects. According to those practical applications, you will choose a glass suitable for your projects. It will be laminated or monolithic from 12 to 22 millimeters. This balustrade is available in standard finish, in anodized aluminium and painted in black color. Other finishes are available on request. Complete the installation with a handrail by choosing from the wide range of Sapco's accessories. Just like our Sapco's balustrades, OSF is tested and answers to the standards of your country. To conclude, OSF is an optimal, simple and flexible product, but not only. The commitment of our company towards the manufacture of high performance and sustainable products is not new. It has been reinforced these last years. Just as this Sapco, we pay attention to our materials and to our manufacturing process. So we encourage local distribution networks and recycled materials. For OSF, 70% of components are recycled and mostly made in France. The 30% left comes from the European market. Not to mention the wrapping, it is recycled and recyclable. You guessed it! This system is the compact solution, economical, easy to set up and suitable for your glass balustrade projects.